In this video, we're unveiling a game-changing strategy that funnels $5 into your pocket every 25 seconds. Join us here on Pivot Online as we introduce ChatGPT, your ticket to effortless passive income. No tricks, just a straightforward 4-step guide to growing your bank account. So let's embark on this journey together. Step 1. Utilizing ChatGPT. The first step on your path to passive income with ChatGPT. In this phase, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to kickstart your money-making journey. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT on Google. Look for results that feature the OpenAI website, your gateway to potential earnings. This method is free and accessible. Once on the OpenAI website, sign up for a free account, your key to unlocking passive income. With your account set up, dive into ChatGPT's capabilities. Begin by asking ChatGPT to generate a list of 30 book genres. You'll be amazed at the diversity, from adventures to self-help and science literature. Now let's focus on a specific genre like finance. Ask ChatGPT for its top 5 book recommendations in finance, and it will provide a curated list. These book recommendations are your gateway to passive income, and you don't need to be a financial expert. It's a simple process with enormous potential just a click away. Step 2. Creating designs in Canva. Now that you've got those fantastic book recommendations from ChatGPT, it's time to transform them into an eye-catching, money-making asset. How? By using Canva, a free online design tool that'll help you create professional designs for your online business or social media accounts. So, let's get to it. First, open your web browser and head to canva.com. It's an incredible resource for creating stunning visuals and, best of all, it's free to use. Take a moment to sign up for an account. This is your gateway to crafting captivating content that'll draw attention and revenue. Once you're in, here's the fun part. Explore Canva's wide array of templates. What we're interested in right now is creating a visually appealing Instagram post. So go ahead and search for Instagram post in Canva's search bar. You'll find a selection of templates to choose from. Select a blank Instagram post template. It's your canvas for showcasing those 5 book recommendations from ChatGPT. Now, it's your chance to let your creative side shine. You can customize the template to make it truly your own. Include the book names, a short description about each one, and don't forget to add a compelling call to action. This is where you'll encourage your audience to take action and grab these recommended books for free. Wondering where you'll get all the information for this design? Don't worry, it's right at your fingertips. Simply copy and paste the details ChatGPT provided for each book recommendation, and you're all set. Now that you've created this stunning visual masterpiece, you're ready to take the next steps to make this strategy a true money-making machine. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Step 3. Getting free books through Audible. In our journey to passive income with ChatGPT, we've made substantial progress. We've used ChatGPT to curate book recommendations and created appealing visuals with Canva. Now we're diving into the world of Audible audiobooks to boost our income potential. Start by searching Audible Affiliate Program online, leading you to Audible's affiliate page. Audible, an Amazon subsidiary, offers a vast audiobook library spanning various genres, making it a prime income source. What makes Audible enticing is its affiliate program. For every person signing up for an Audible free trial through your affiliate link, you earn $5. It's a simple and profitable concept with significant earning potential. Next, set up your Audible audiobooks, putting money in your pocket while offering them access to these books. The best part is that ChatGPT's book suggestions are often available on Audible. This enables you to guide your audience to explore these recommendations while increasing your earnings by $5 for every free trial sign-up through your affiliate link. But the journey continues. In the following steps, we'll share strategies for effectively presenting these recommendations, attracting potential listeners, and optimizing your earnings. Step 4. Instagram. In this final step, we'll leverage Instagram's potential to amplify earnings and transform book recommendations into tangible income. If you're not already on Instagram, it's time to create a new account. This will be your platform for reaching a wider audience and introducing them to free books and potential earnings. Set up your profile to prepare for the next phase. As you shape your Instagram account, make a crucial move. Convert it into a creator-themed page. This opens up opportunities and features that enhance audience engagement and interaction. Within this creator-themed page, choose a category that aligns with your niche. Given our focus on Audible and audiobooks, select product or services as the perfect category for our strategy. The next essential step is to add your Audible affiliate link to your Instagram bio. This link is your secret weapon, the gateway for your audience to access recommended books for free. Don't forget to include a compelling call to action, inviting visitors to explore these audiobooks. Here's where the magic happens. Identify other Instagram theme pages related to your niche, whether it's finance, self-help, or a category that resonates with your book recommendations. Many of these theme pages feature viral reels, short, attention-grabbing videos that capture a book's essence and compel viewers to explore it further. Your task is to download these reels from other accounts while giving credit to the original creators. Sharing the love and respecting fellow content creators is key. Once you've gathered these reels, upload them to your Instagram account. Ensure that they contain a powerful call to action to encourage your audience to explore these free books. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about offering something valuable and relevant. ChatGPT comes into play again. Ask ChatGPT for relevant tags to use in your Instagram reels. These tags will help your content get discovered by users interested in your niche. Optimizing earnings. It's now time to milk these. All you have to do now is repeat this process with at least 30 to 40 reels in your chosen niche. Some of your reels will gain traction and potentially go viral. The more engagement you receive, the more potential signups to Audible, and consequently the more earnings in your pocket. Don't forget to upload those Canva posts we created earlier to your Instagram theme page. Pin these posts so that they're the first thing visitors see. These visuals showcase the value you're offering, free books, and are sure to attract attention. And here's the beauty, when your Reels and Canva posts draw people to your theme page, they'll find that Audible affiliate link in your bio. This is where they can access those free books and, for you, the opportunity to earn $5 for every free trial signup. You can replicate this strategy on other social media platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, and more. The more places you share your message, the broader your reach and the greater your income potential. So, there you have it. The grand finale of our method to make passive income with ChatGPT. We've harnessed the power of Audible, leveraged Instagram and other social media, and created an ecosystem that brings value to your audience while generating income for you. The Pivot Online Verdict. Congratulations, moneymakers! You've just completed an incredible journey into the world of passive income with ChatGPT. We've unlocked the secrets to earning $5 in just 25 seconds, all while providing your audience with valuable content they'll love. With ChatGPT, Canva, Audible, and Instagram, we've created a seamless system that connects book recommendations to audiobooks, turning it into a reliable source of income. Remember, this isn't about selling, it's about offering something valuable to your audience. By guiding them to explore those free books on Audible, you're making money while providing a service that's genuinely appealing. But we're not stopping here. This method can expand to other platforms, making your potential for earnings limitless. So embrace this strategy, get creative, and watch those dollars roll in. Thanks for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, happy earning. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.